Tim.
How you doing, Abe?
All right. Any work done with your truck yet?
The yellow one, not really. I got the body off. That's only 3 bits.
Who are you with then?
No problem. But right now, those bits are really soft.
That's a
Go get some video.
Jake. I know him. You still just got 2-wheel drive? Yeah, looks like.
Okay, now need over.
Look at the front end on that truck. That one, front wheels.
Oh yeah. They were already like this before you got here.
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
Well, I guess he's had nothing to lose when he got out here, eh? Still running.
This is all welded, it's all the same on the other side. That's all solid, done all the way throughout and stuff.
Looks like you made it through a few times.
You don't get somebody to sit in the back and steer, do you?
No, I don't need to. He falls along.
What's buried under all that mud?
Jimmy.
Jimmy? Okay.
These are tough.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's where the roof is now.
Still running? Oh, good.
Little